Hi guys, today we're going to be trying chupa chups. Okay, I just opened the pack. Okay, it's this one. Okay,
This one.
wait.
This one.
Here it is, chupa chups. Okay, but it's not. It's expensive here, but it's not expensive in Bacala. Okay. Don't say bad words. This is the last time. Okay. I'm tired. Okay. And here's our chupa chups. Okay. We're not trying to try to not last challenge. Okay. And don't make me spit on the freaking. Don't make me spit on the computer.
Okay. All I have to know in life is the batata and tomato.
Today, now that we can try.
Is it even good?
Okay.
Okay.
Mini.
My turn. We'll have to rate it in the end, okay?
Bro, we ain't rating it slow.
Tastes like Coke. Tastes like milk. So, go get a glass and let's see what's the color of this cup.
Bro, it's gray.
No, it's not.
It's white, actually. It's white.
Just go get the glass.
Bro, let me swear to God.
I want to see the color. Just go get a glass.
Actually, swear to God.
Go get a glass.
Bro, please, I swear to
Okay,
God.
okay.
You have to stop fighting on camera. Bro, we're not even fighting, bro.
My sister's actually really dumb, okay? Keep that as a secret. Make sure my sister doesn't know it. Yeah, of course. Guys, I got this glass and let's see what's colored.
Let's see.
Okay.
White.
White.
And a 3, 2, 1.
Ha!
And go.
So this is the chupa chup water. I mean,
But
drink.
the big one,
the foam is white. The center is really light pink. If you put it in the dark, we can see really light pink. You guys might just see white.
Oh, let's go to this desk, okay?
Okay.
Sorry though, guys,
Sorry,
don't
guys.
see that place for yourself. But let me drink
Go
it.
cotton.
But let me
You should
drink
try
it.
something.
Bro, of course you won't try this. Like what?
So, if you hated the video, please say that it's super funny. And guys, I wanted this video to be so disgusting and funny, but this dude will never let me.
Bro, look. Okay, bro. I'm going to do the cringiest thing. After the cringiest thing I've ever done in my life.
With me.
Video.
With me.
Yeah, okay. First, it's my turn.
Not cringe. The only thing I need in life is batata and tomato.
Bro, you literally don't Indian accent. What is an Indian language? Like, bro, who would literally speak Indian English?
No, that's Arabic English.
No.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye, guys.